Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Mr. SK Tech. Okay friends, how was the day? Okay friends, this is the second video I have been done today. Okay friends, today's topic is how to make thumbnail from picsart app. Okay friends, as you know, picsart app is not free app. I have done the video related to this, how to get the picsart app freely. Okay, you can go to my channel and see the video, and please tell me by commenting that it was knowledgeable or useless. Okay friends, let me tell you today how to make thumbnail from picsart app. Okay friends, let us start the video today. Okay, let me start. Okay friends, for that we have to download picsart app. I have been already downloaded friends. If you are not using the trick I have been said, this kind of things will come. Okay, let me go to down and select the background which I want. You can select anything. Okay, let me take this and crop that to 16:9, which is thumbnail size. Okay friends, let me take one photo and save here, paste here, and then next thing is you have to edit the background. I have been doing here now. I'll save that. It will be saved friend because it takes some time to make it separate sticker. Okay, see how nice it is coming now. Now let me type something here, title. That is how to make today's topic only friends. How to make, select the color which you want friends. How to make, and let me go another time and click that thumbnail in picsart. You can select any color here. Let me select green. Now another time let me type 100% free because viewers should see. No, that's it. And select the color, 100% free, add it right side. Okay, then you can add stickers like YouTube, Kind Master, like this friends. Here it is. You have to download that. And then we have to I'm adding here one logo, YouTube logo friends. Let me select the space. Okay, let me add here. You can add any kind of logos like Kind Master, WhatsApp, but you have to download it from Google. What the ads are coming? Okay, then you have to save it to gallery friends. Okay, that's all. The video will be saved in the gallery. Let me show you that. You can see here it has been saved here. That's all for today's topics, friend. There is nothing to do, friends, but you have to do this also, like how I added thumbnail in the last video. That's all today's topic, friends. Please comment on my video, subscribe, and see my all videos related to YouTube. Thank you.